Need to ship orders using Australia Post eParcel in Shopify? Here's how to connect your account properly. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and clicking Settings in the bottom left corner. Go to Shipping and Delivery, then scroll down to the Shipping Carrier section. Click Manage Carriers, then choose Add Carrier. From the list of available carriers, select Australia Post eParcel. You'll be asked to enter your eParcel account information, including your account number and any required API or contract details provided by Australia Post. Carefully enter the information exactly as given in your eParcel agreement. Once everything is filled in, click Activate or Save to connect the account. After it's connected, Shopify will be able to calculate live shipping rates using your eParcel account. That's it! Your Australia Post eParcel account is now linked to your Shopify store and ready for shipping calculations. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.